Alright folks, I tried to drain the hot water tank earlier, but the water came out in a cone-shaped pattern and made a huge splash. I got drenched. So I don't have a garden hose to hook up to this right now. Well, even if I did, it's below freezing outside, and the only area lower than this nozzle for gravity to work is to drain it outside, and I'm not going to do that, especially since I could form a sheet of ice out there. It's below freezing. Alright, so how do we resolve this? I took this container, cut a notch, a hole right through the lid, and a drain on the bottom. So we're going to just insert this over the nozzle, over the spigot. Alright, make sure it's pointed down. Let's turn it on and give it a go. It's kind of difficult to do this while holding the phone. Alright. Alright, that wasn't too bad. It splashed a little through the gap, however, it was not too bad. Earlier, the splash was just everywhere, so I cleaned it up, and with the little splash on the tank, I'm just simply going to use the mop to clean that up. I would say this was a success. Good luck to your maintenance of your hot water tank.